How's that wheel bearing? Almost there, just a bit more torque. Good. We need to get inside and check the hydraulics. Right, door's jammed, help me pull. The main relay is fried, swapping it now. Okay, I'll secure the power lines here. Done, bringing it online. Check the diagnostics. Let's move, report to base. Check the waveforms. It's running rich. On it, passing the wrench. Good, now the ignition timing. Readings are stabilizing, try it. Revving it up, looks solid. Final check on the suspension. All clear. We're good to go.
Setiap barang punya cerita, dan tugas kita adalah menghidupkan kembali cerita itu. Jika kalian punya ide untuk direstorasi, kasih tahu saya lewat kolom komentar. Jangan lupa like and share. Terima kasih.